I am Devaranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about Intel i9 10900K. The new Core i9 10900K is in the market. Meanwhile, the latest Core i7 and Core i5 ranges look very successful not only in terms of specifications and projected efficiency, but most notably against still very tough Ryzen rivals in terms of pricing and reliability. Intel i9. Intel provides a new 10-core 20-thread CPU or group of processors at the top of the commodity list. We are also looking at a 14 nanometer technology focused Skylake derivative architecture, suggesting there are no significant improvements to IPC or CPU functionality. Memory performance on paper is marginally increased up to DDR4 2933 for Core i9 and Core i7 versions, but Intel CPUs can comfortably accommodate faster RAM and have done so for previous generations as well. Performance. Clock speeds have a couple of different parameters that can be confounding, or should just disregard any of them before we study the CPUs and realize where they are. Three parameters for single core turbo speeds are what you say in the specifications table anyway. There's a standard 5.1 GHz turbo boost, then a 5.2 GHz turbo boost 3.0 and a 5.3 GHz Intel thermal boost turbo. You can see clocks between 5.1 GHz and 5.3 GHz range on these components based on what apps you have open to you and the temperature of the processor. The top 5.3 GHz level is only used as part of the thermal velocity increase at temperatures below 70 degrees Celsius. For all core turbos, Intel reports those with a thermal velocity increase at 4.8 GHz and 4.9 GHz. Pricing. The 10900KF are coming in at $490 and $470 for cost, and it slots precisely where the 9900KF were on the list. This firmly positions the 10-core in competition with AMD's 12-core Ryzen 9 as anticipated. Although the 10900 series is noteworthy, given that Intel now provides 10 crores in a mainstream component, probably thanks to the Ryzen 9 3900X and 3950X demand, we think the juiciest bits in the lineup are possibly in the Core i7 category. If you want to know more details about Intel i9 10900K, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.